Google surprised the world when it announced the appointment of the new CEO on 10th August 2015. It became a proud moment for the Indian community. We see an Indian born become the CEO of an company that millions across the globe aspired to join. Okay, we are talking about the man lessons years of struggle before making it to the top as the current CEO of Google, Sundar Pichai. And there is a success story. Pichai Sundararajan, more commonly known as Sundar Pichai, and was born in Madurai on July 20, 1972. He belonged to a lower middle class family and had never experienced the luxury of watching television or traveling by car in his childhood. However, success for technology in his hands at the age of 12, he had a remarkable skill of memorizing and remembering numbers, as he could keep in mind all the numbers that he dialed. He migrated to the US in 1993 and he initially planned to pursue a PhD from Stanford and embarked on an academic career. However, he dropped the plan and joined Applied Material at Silicon Valley Semiconductor Maker, a product manager. But he did not work there for long. He later went on to complete his MBA from the Wharton School of University. He was appointed as a management consultant at MC Kinsey and Company. While Sundar was battling with his lonely days as a migrant on the sheer road to success, he needed the support of his girlfriend and now wife underneath. Later, he joined Google in 2004 and his entry was merged with the launch of a tree mail service called Gmail, and said that Sundar was ordered to be a Google Frank. As the day of launch, April 1st, 2004, coincident with Fool's Day. After getting inducted into Google, Sundar's first big success came after Google hit and infamous Doomsday situation. Microsoft changed the default search engine on Internet Explorer with their own search engine called Bing. In those days, during the year 2006, almost everyone used Internet Explorer, and now Sundar was responsible for coming up with responsible tech solution of Google Toolbar that enable PC makers install it directly onto their PC and browser. Later, he soon started working on other Google products such as Google Gears and Google Packs. The success of Google Pichai, the idea that Google should develop its own browser. He discussed his idea with the seniors and faced the seniors' objection for the then CEO Iris Smith, who thought that developing a browser would be a too expensive effort. However, Pichai persevered and convinced the co-founder of Google, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, to launch Google's own browser, and later Sundar played a vital role in the unlimited launch of the browser Google Chrome in 2008. Chrome proved to be a great success, allowed the users to directly access Google search engine, and Sundar became an internationally known figure following the phenomenal success of the Chrome, which eventually became the #1 browser in the world, surpassing competitors such as Internet Explorer and Firefox. Later in 2008, Sundar Pichai was promoted as Vice President of Product Development. In the position, he started appearing more often at Google presentation and continued rising up the ranks in Google. 2012, he became the Senior Vice President of Chrome and Apps. Within a year time since becoming the Senior Vice President, Sundar was also handed over the task of Android, but still earlier was being managed by Andy Rubin, the genius that he since developed it in, which was the project designed to offer a third of smartphones in all households worldwide, inviting another 5 billion people to the Android world. And within the short period of time, Sundar was again promoted to become the head of product in 2014. After Sundar was announced as the CEO of Google, which is the biggest company under Alphabet. Well, as agreed by most of the top tech industry veteran, Sundar is one of the most all-round and flexible professional with his eye for product along his business acumen is often considered to be a better CEO than Larry Page. Sundar Pichai's life story has been lustrous and is a marvelous paladin for those who wish to achieve success even in difficult situations and the hard work and smart work. He was able to reach out the top position in the company that every business leader wishes to be. Today, his value at over $150 million and is having the second most valuable brand in the world, which is worth over $85 billion.